Anywhere you go, take control of your comfort with the new, affordable and portable Cosmos Daisy air conditioner and heater. Everyone who has ever worked in an office knows it's never the right temperature, and no combination of sweaters, coats, or scarves seem to fix it. Luckily, there's a new, affordable solution for all of your temperature needs. Introducing the Cosmos Daisy, a revolutionary heater-cooler for your office and home. With its sleek, small, and modern design, the Cosmos Daisy looks great in any room. Its easy-to-use interface ensures precision temperature control all year round. Using thermoelectric cooling and heating technology, the Daisy uses 20 semiconductors to heat or cool to your liking. These small semiconductors allow the Daisy to be compact, lightweight, and still heat and cool any environment to your liking. This small footprint makes it easy to take the Cosmos Daisy anywhere you need it. Sleek, modern, advanced, affordable comfort. The Cosmos Daisy. Click here to order yours today.
Does your air conditioner make you uncomfortable?
It's always too hot or too cold.
It's too warm when the sun is shining.
It's too cold when there's a thunderstorm. It's freezing when I wake up.
Air conditioners only allow you to set a temperature, but many other factors affect your comfort. Humidity, weather, sunlight, and even your daily metabolic cycle. Ambi Climate solves these problems by revolutionizing the usage paradigm of air conditioners. Just tell us if you're hot, cold, or comfortable, and our award-winning AI solution will automatically adjust your air conditioner to improve your comfort and help you save energy.
This is Noria, the first window air conditioner designed with you in mind. Noria is 40% smaller than standard air conditioners and less than 6 inches tall. Unlike typical window air conditioners, Noria lets you keep your view. Noria is smart. Using Android or iOS, users can control Noria remotely or set a schedule to save power when no one is home. Noria can bring fresh air into your home on those cool September nights. Not even central air can do that. You don't have to be a bodybuilder to install Noria. The lightweight frame is installed first, making secure installation a breeze. Other window air conditioners force you to hold a heavy, awkward object in place for minutes at a time. With Noria, installation is a one-person job. Storage is easy, allowing you to keep it under the bed when not needed. Noria, renew your view. We are an established product development team in Philadelphia with experience in bringing product designs from concept to production. Our team members have decades of experience in engineering highly technical products with expertise in thermal engineering and aerodynamics, electrical engineering, and industrial design. For the past 2 years, we've been developing Noria from the ground up. Along the way, we've developed numerous prototypes as we perfected the technology. We're ready to make the next step and bring it into production. Now we need your help to bring it to your home.
Thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video. If you found it helpful, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the next episode. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.